Give me Venusaur. I want Venusaur. You got Palkia. Kaz. Oh, I got Lugia. Lunana. I can't say any of their names. He just pooped.